Dear students, this is question number 12. It's exercise 7A, book 2, 8th edition. The net force F newtons needed to push a block along a horizontal surface is directly proportional to the mass m kg of the block. When m is equals to 5, F is equals to 49. Find an equation connecting F and m. Find the value of F when m is equals to 14. Calculate the value of m when F is equals to 215.6, and the last part is draw the graph of F against M. So here we are solving. First of all, what is given in the question that F is directly proportional to M, and to remove the sign of proportionality we are using is equals to NK, and M I am writing as it is. Now the value of F and M is given in the question. I am just putting the values is equals to K and the value of M is equals to 5. Now we are going to solve. I am writing K as it is, and 5 is multiplying over here. If we shift on this side, so it would be divided, and if we divide, so we will get K is equals to 9.8. So the value of K we have found out is 9.8. Now the first part is make the equation connecting F and M. So I am making an equation. This is our equation. I am just putting the value F is equals to K M, and the value of K is 9.8 M. So we have done first part. Now the part 2 is find the value of F when M is equals to 14. So the value of M is given over here 14, and we have to find out the value of F. F is equals to Km, and F is equals to value of K. We know that 9.8, and the value of M is given 14 over here. So we just have to multiply to get the answer, and if you multiply we'll get 137.2. So this is our answer of part 2. Now move to third part. Now part 3 is we have to find out the value of M when F is equals to 215.6. So I am again writing the same equation. F is equals to Km, and the value of K we know that 9.8, and we know the value of F as 215.6, and we don't know the value of M, so I'm writing over here as it is, and both of them are multiplying over here. If we shift to this side, they would be divided. So 215.6 upon 9.8 is divided over here is equals to M, and if we will simplify, so the value of M is equals to 22. So this is our part 3. Now part 4 is we have to find out the graph. We have to make a graph connecting F and Y. Line M, and this is line F. So I am putting the values of M and F in equation. I am putting the value of M, and we'll find out the value of F. So our equation is F is equals to Km, and the value of K you know is 9.8. First of all, I am taking the value of M as 0, and we'll find out the value of F. So 9.8, if we'll multiply it by 0, so we'll get 0. So this is 0. And now the second equation is we are taking F is equals to Km, and now I am taking 1 for M, and we know the value of K is 9.8 multiplied by 1. So F is equals to 9.8. So when M is equals to 1, the value of F will be 9.8. Now F is equals to Km, and we know that the value of K is 9.8 and the value of M is equals to 2. So if we will multiply, so the value of F will be 19.6, and so I'm writing 19.6 over here. And for the last part, I'm solving over here. F is equals to Km, and the value of K is equals to 9.8, and the value of M is 3. So the value of F would be, if we multiply both, we will get 29.4. So this is our answer. When value of M is 3, the value of F would be 29.4. So now I have drawn a graph. This is first point is 0, 0. So the 0 on axis is over here, and the 0 y axis is also over here. So we'll mark this point. Now 1 on x-axis means 1 on line M, and 9.8 on line F. So below 10, I will just below, a little bit below 10, I am marking this point. This is 9.8. Now in line M has the value of 2, and on line M it's 2. So we'll take 19.6 for the line F. So here a little bit below the 20, it's 19.6. So I'm marking over here, and when M is equals to 3, the value of F would be 29.4. So M is equals to 3, so the value of F would be 29.4, a little bit below 30. This is 29.4. So this was all. We have marked the points. We can also plot these points when M is equals to 14. So we will get 137.2, but it takes a very large space to draw that graph. So I'm joining the line over here, and this is the graph, fourth part of our question. So we have completed question number 12. Thanks.